My dear viewers, now discuss why CO2, that is carbon dioxide, is a gas and SiO2, silicon dioxide, is a solid. Carbon and silicon, it is the same group element, that is carbon family element. Okay, carbon plays in second period, but the silicon plays in period 3 in the periodic table. But the carbon dioxide is a gas and silicon dioxide is a solid at room temperature, primarily due to deficiency, that is due to difference in their molecular structure and bonding. Okay. Carbon dioxide as linear molecular with weak intermolecular forces. Okay, while SiO2, silicon dioxide, form a network solid with strong covalent bonds. Okay, according to tendency resonance. So the texture carbon dioxide linear structure, but silicon dioxide show the structure resonance structure with, that is bulky structure. Okay, SiO2 silicon dioxide is a solid. Okay, thank you.